minimal makeup room tour. Nuggets and french fries. Curl my hair.
Hello world, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. This vlog is gonna be very interesting. I felt a little uninspired and down on myself this week, but I made a vlog, I edited it, I made it happen. It's up now, clearly, and we're just gonna keep focusing on the future in the next vlog. I hope you like this one. I love you so much. I appreciate you being here, liking and subscribing and just watching my vlogs. But let's just get into this vlog.
Hello. It is a pretty boring Sunday, and you know, one of those days where you kind of just are uninspired, can't think of ideas, and I don't even know, like a little bit of my room, because I feel like I haven't done that yet, like a little room tour. Okay, let's just start. This is my desk. I have this cute little chair, and then this beautiful tall freaking window. Hello. And then over here I have my little nightstand with my candle, flowers, coffee, a bunch of cords, and then another tall window, comfy cloud bed, a cute little chair. It's just for people that want to like come over and sit down. I'm gonna go to my awesome mirror that I got from IKEA, and it's like the best body mirror I've ever purchased in my life. Dresser and knickknacks on my dresser, and then my TV. Yeah, I'm watching Gossip Girl. And then right here we just have like some books, some planner, another book, these really cute candles I got from Amazon, and then another cute little mirror. Hello. Some of my perfumes that I use, my jewelry box, all of my necklaces that are inside this thing so they don't get all dusty. Love that. My rack full of all my new clothes I've never worn yet. Literally, I've just been racking it up and I have nowhere to go. So I really need to, you know, go out, do something, anything at all. Please, someone invite me to come over. Have some shoes over here, another dresser, and then this is like stuff I will just like grab on the go, like my keys and stuff. Shoe rack of all my shoes. So this is all my sweaters, jackets, and my crew necks. And then this side is gonna be all hoodies. And then we have more shoes right there, and we have like beanies and hats over here. We have more boots and shoes here. This is just like miscellaneous. This is more of like tank tops, bralettes, and then we have tank tops, t-shirts, long sleeves, and all that jazz all the way down there. And then we have like skirts and pants and dresses all over there. That is it, folks. I hope you like my room. So I think I'm gonna do a very minimal makeup today. The first thing I'm gonna do, the Elsa MD SPF 40, the tinted one. I absolutely love it just because I'm not gonna put any foundation on today. That is all that I'm gonna do. The Kosas concealer, I got a mini one in the shade 03W. Got it very minimalistically. I'm gonna go boop, boop. That is it. Hourglass concealer brush, and just buffing out my concealer. So you can definitely, like in person, you can still see the imperfections, but I'm gonna do blush, the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush, shade Rose Latte, like a dark bronzy rose. Literally smear it. Literally smear. And then freckles. I'm gonna go over a couple that I already have. There's one right here. And there's one right here. There's one right here. And then I'll just add a little more. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy. I am not gonna use any powder. I'm just gonna do the Refi Brow Setter. It's in clear. So I'm just gonna go boop, boop, boop. That is it for that. I'll add a little bit of blush powder. I like the Clinique Cheek Pop, and this one is in Cola Pop. I guess set my blush. That's it. What I'm gonna do is put on a tiny bit on just the ends. Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And then for lips, all I'm gonna do is put the Milk Makeup. This is in the shade Quickie. Rosy color. Very lazy makeup on a Sunday. So yeah, that is it for the makeup. I did make lunch for myself, so we're gonna eat some nuggets and Trader Joe's French fries that I made in the air fryer. I'm gonna eat and I will be right back. And I'm done. I just devoured those nugs. I'm gonna curl my hair. It's gotten pretty freaking long since like my blonde days. My hot tools. I already sprayed this in my hair, but I use the Chi 44 Iron Guard. Do it layer by layer, like everybody else does. So let me just layer my hair first. First layer. She'll go like this. She'll go under, wrap it, under, wrap it, under. So it's not like too, it's like wavy. Does that make sense? That's what gives you the wave. I'm gonna start from the back because that's where what I usually do. Now I'm just running my fingers through my hair. It's gonna give it those big loose curls. I just kind of leave my hair the way it is without hairspray, texture spray, anything like that. And if I do end up leaving my apartment, then I'll like spray some in. But usually I'll just let it fall and that's it. That is the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, being here, supporting. I hope you guys liked it. Please comment down below if you would like to see anything else. Until the next vlog, bye!